The best time to start financial planning for retirement was when you received your first paycheck, and the second best time is now. It's never too early to start planning for your retirement. In this video, let us take a look at the 10 doctrines of wise retirement planning, which will ensure a happy retired life. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Let's get started with the 10 incredible things that guarantee a stress free retirement. Number 1. An important ingredient for hitch free retired life. Provide for contingencies. The lack of social security schemes and retirement benefit for self employed and private sector employees create a requirement for more provisions for contingencies after retirement. When you are working, there will be numerous ways by which you can source fund, like getting a salary advance or borrowing from colleagues or applying for a personal loan. But after retirement, you need to be self-reliant in taking care of emergency situations. A provision for a minimum of 6 months of expense, including medical expense, need to be kept as emergency fund. Number 2, a small change in perception, a giant leap in your retirement planning. Think that you will live long. Because of medical advancement and a better lifestyle, the longevity of individual is going up year by year. Depending on your lifestyle and your health, you may live up to 85 years or 90 years. This increased longevity makes a retirement life of a minimum of 25 years. So it is better to plan for the additional years and avoid living frugally in old age. Medical advancement plus better lifestyle will lead to increased longevity. Thereby, it increases the retired life, which in turn you may require higher retirement corpus. Number 3, a proactive retirement planning strategy you will never regret. Plan that you will retire early. It is wise to provide for contingencies arising that require you to retire early. You could suffer ill health, or you may lose your job, or you may need to take care of your elderly family members. And women sometimes have to opt in voluntary retirement just to take care of the family needs. All this require more savings for retirement needs. Be it any form of early retirement, either forced early retirement or voluntary early retirement, there should be a proper plan beforehand. There are some articles in our website related to early retirement which gives you a better insight. The link for the articles is given in the description box. Number 4, beat the inflation before it beats you. Inflation affects the personal needs of the working class, but pay rise could help you resolve it to a certain extent. This inflation will be there even after your retirement. So, your financial planning should be done in such a way to accommodate the inflation adjusted expenses after retirement. Investors generally have the mindset that I would like to accumulate 2 crores and retire. But when we work out the inflation adjusted retirement corpus, the 2 crores would not be sufficient for him to have a comfortable retirement. These 2 crores may feed you enough in the initial years after your retirement, but the same will not be sufficient for you to take care of all your needs in the 10th year after retirement because of the skyrocketing inflation figures. You can beat the inflation either by accumulating a larger corpus or by finding the right inflation adjusted corpus and investing it wisely. Our motto here is our retirement corpus should outlive us. Number 5, a little mistake that could ruin your retirement corpus almost overnight. Provide for increased medical expenses after retirement. Most of us underestimate medical expense after retirement, with these expenses being inevitable in old age. Medical problems occur in old age and healthcare expenses increase unavoidably. Hence, more provision for medical insurance is needed. A consideration of your family's general health, family history of certain genetic disorder, and the class of hospital you get treated in would help in proper estimation for medical insurance. Medical insurance is a part of financial planning after retirement. In addition to medical insurance, you may also need to create a reserve for non-claimable and ongoing medical expenses. Number 6, keep your debt under control. As quickly as possible, pay off your debts. Settling of debt on schedule is a vital aspect of good financial hygiene that everyone should practice. If you have additional loans, you risk depleting your savings and hindering your ability to accumulate money at the rate required for a comfortable retirement. Unpaid dues are liable to a high interest rate if not paid for a long time. Retirement is a time in your life where there will be stringent cash flow which restricts you to pay off your debts. So, it is better to pay off your debts before your retirement. Number 7. Maintain a well balanced asset allocation. Smart asset allocation is a critical component of prudent retirement planning. Asset allocation is the process of allocating funds to several investment vehicles in order to build a sufficient corpus for your retirement. You have a variety of options available to you, including gold, fixed deposit, real estate, mutual fund, and stock market. As you get closer to retirement, start making low risk investment. This will increase your liquidity and reduces your risk, and you will have a regular cash flow. Do not limit yourself to a particular asset. To increase your safety, diversify your investments across asset classes. Number 8. The critical deciding factor. Provide for your spouse and dependents who may outlive you. Inevitably, this need should not be overlooked. If your dependents are younger and healthier than you, then they will possibly outlive you. Creating financial security for the dependents is your responsibility. It should be one of the goals of your financial planning for retirement. Your spouse and dependents need to live a secure financial life after your lifetime. Taking up an insurance policy during working life will take care of your dependents and spouse financially. You can estimate how many years your dependents outlive you, and you can make a provision for them for those many years. Number 9. Realize that you need to be vigilant about sources of retirement income. Sometimes we may be ignorant of the benefits on retirement like provident fund, gratuity, and other benefits. In India, the lack of social security scheme after retirement makes it necessary to invest more in good income generating sources for a steady flow of retirement income. You can create a checklist of the expected income from different sources of income after retirement. Note down the periodicity of the income. It could be either monthly, quarterly, or annual, or it could be cumulative. Understand the tax implication for these post-retirement income streams. Number 10. Educate yourself about retirement saving plan management. Most of the investors rely on the pension schemes in the form of ULIPs offered by various public and private insurance companies. As a smart investor planning for your retirement, you need to understand that the hidden charges of these pension policies will reduce the rate of returns. Generally, these policies are all heavily front loaded. Heavy surrender charges will restrict the transfer of investment to the other performing schemes in case of non-performance of ULIP. Do not opt for ready-made retirement plans. Create your customized investment strategy. The articles and videos mentioned here will throw light on selecting your investment strategy both during accumulation phase and distribution phase. Check out the link in the description. There are 2 bonus tips for a stress-free retirement life. Bonus tip 1. Plan for an income for life. Your retirement plan needs to be designed in such a way that there should be a regular source of income till your lifetime. Pensions or annuities or any other source of income needs to be safeguarded, as withdrawing large sums from them could end you in a financial insufficiency in the final years of your life. Bonus tip 2. Take professional investment advice. Many do realize the importance of professional advice from professional financial advisors, but in practice you can seek it from family, friends, and colleagues. You may ask, can they be as good as professional financial advisors? Of course, people around you work in best interest of you, but no amount of best interest can amount to professionalism. If you are confused with your decision whether to engage a financial planner or not, then there are some articles that will guide you in your decision making. The link is given in the description. Auxiliary essentials for NRI retirement. As an NRI, you may need special care to plan your retirement, especially in the case of finance. NRI face more complexities. Things like regulations, narrow time frame, geographical constraints, and investment options pose difficult challenges. So, NRI need a special attention regarding to retirement. Final note. These 10 financial tenets to wise retirement planning are going to be very effective if you follow them with discipline. Emerge financially secure for your retired life. With the help of retirement calculator, you can find out your retirement corpus. The link is given in the description box. This calculator will help you to estimate the inflation adjusted retirement corpus that you need to accumulate and also the monthly investment required to achieve the same. Try it out and start planning for your retirement. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.
Thanks for your detailed answer.